Liberty Walk has been making aggressive widebody kits for the Aventador and Huracan for years, but until now it has shown no interest in the best-selling Lamborghini Urus. That's about to change. The Japanese tuner recently shared several images on social media showing off his upcoming Urus body kit. The finished project will be unveiled at this year's SEMA show in Las Vegas. Considering how popular Urus Dodgers from other brands have proven to be, Liberty Walk's Dodgers will quickly hit the streets. The body kit is relatively simple compared to some of the others Liberty Walk sells. At the front, the tuners installed a more pronounced carbon fiber splitter and designed a new hood for the super crossover. Liberty Walk then widened the front and rear wheel arches. The distinctive sills and side skirts also catch the eye. The rear of the modified Urus is the most attractive part of the assembly. First, Liberty Walk installed an aggressive roof spoiler, and also equipped the crossover with a carbon fiber spoiler. In addition, the updated bumper includes an aggressive diffuser and new square-shaped exhaust pipes. A set of non-original wheels is also installed. A complete body kit will cost between $30,800 and $57,530, depending on the version.
So, did you like this video? Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more content like this, and above all, leave us your comments and theories below. See you in the next video.